Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CenterPoint Securities Review My Usage Experience. CenterPoint Securities Review My Usage Experience offers independent analysis and ratings of various securities. Its main purpose is to help investors make informed decisions by providing comprehensive research and data on different investment options. The target audience is likely individual investors and financial advisors looking for objective assessments of securities before investing. Key features would likely include ratings, detailed analysis reports, and possibly comparison tools. Their website provides details on their specific offerings and methodologies. CenterPoint Securities Review's positioning is as a reliable source of unbiased information. Benefits include access to in-depth analysis, potentially saving investors time and effort in conducting their own research. The website highlights the experience of their analysts and their rigorous methodology. Pricing is likely subscription-based, but details are available on their website. Availability is generally online, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CenterPoint Securities Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward, signing up only took a few minutes, and the onboarding process clearly explained the different features and how to navigate the platform. The interface was initially a little overwhelming with its sheer amount of data, but once I got used to the layout, it was easy to filter and find the specific securities one was researching. I particularly appreciated the detailed reports which included not just ratings but also comprehensive analyses of financial statements and industry trends. I was looking at several tech stocks, and CenterPoint's reports provided insightful perspectives on each company's competitive landscape and long-term prospects. The performance of the service itself was excellent, the website was always responsive, and the data was consistently updated. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric in a report, and their support responded within 2 days via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. A standout feature for me was definitely the comparison tool, allowing me to easily analyze multiple securities side by side. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve, especially for beginners unfamiliar with financial analysis. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CenterPoint Securities Review. It's a powerful tool that provides valuable insights, though some prior knowledge of financial markets is helpful to get the most out of it. That's my overview of CenterPoint Securities Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.